Greetings and salutations everyone. My name is USA, and 20 contestants will be battling to win a prize. Now you may ask, what is this prize? Well, the prize is getting a ticket to Australia. If you ever need an introduction, don't worry, we have an intro. Roll the intro.
Sorry, nakalimutan ko. Pero ano ulit ang premyo?
Dude, did you not just see the freaking intro play? Wow, you're blind.
Enough arguing. Let's just move on to the contest. Wait, actually, before we do that, we need to make teams. Well, since there's 20 of you, we will have to make 5 teams of 4.
Since we are all Asian countries, why don't we go for the cool Asians?
أنا أحبه.
멋진 것 같아요.
Since we are all from Oceania, we should name ourselves the Oceania Bunch.
Sounds fine with me.
We gotta be Oceania Bunch, right?
We can't do that because they are already Oceania Bunch. Our team has to be another name.
Then your team name is another name.
Wait, what?
Honestly, I don't know what to name ourselves.
ฉันก็ไม่เหมือนกัน
Let's just name ourselves the Randomies, since we are all random.
I don't want to waste time, so let's just name ourselves Cold and White K and move on.
You guys have successfully done your teams and team names. Now it's time to start our contest. We're gonna have to move to a bigger place, so...
A few minutes later.
We are back. Our first contest is laser tag. If you manage to successfully shoot all other teams, you win, and you will get a win token. You guys will have to hide to survive if needed. But anyways, 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay, team, I have a plan. We will dig in the snow, creating a hole. You go into the hole and shoot your laser gun at the other teams. They will probably not know where that came from, and once everyone is dead, we will win.
Hindi ako nag-aaksaya ng oras. Galit ako sa Saudi Arabia. Kaya pupuntahan ko siya.
Take this, Indonesia.
Haha, you really thought. Now take this.
I'm gonna go for the other Oceania.
I'm shooting all 3 people who have stars like me.
Oh no, now it's only up to me to win this. I gotta survive as long as I can.
Time to win the challenge. Time for Ultra Power Mode. Hey, give me your laser shooters. Time to do my thing.
Oh, I left my team on accident. Now I'm going to...
Wag, ons het vergeet om die tyd na te gaan.
30 seconds.
30 secondes. Jy maak seker 'n grap.
Randomers, we haven't done anything in a while. Now is our chance to.
Too bad, because time's up. Another name had all of their team members dead, so they are up for elimination. I will go recover another name to tell them. Guam, I am sorry to tell you that your team, another name, has lost because everyone on your team got shot to death.
Oh man.
Viewers, vote for one of the contestants shown on screen. Type the letter and the square brackets to vote in the comments. See you in the next episode.